Okay, so again, I'm sanding, I'm letting the sandpaper do the work. I'm not trying to force this. I'm also avoiding the edges as much as possible, especially at the start. It's very easy to sand through any finishing products near the edges. A lot of the time, I really just leave them alone until the very last stages. And you see, I'm not pressing too hard here. I want to sand one area and then show you what that looks like in comparison. Okay, so hopefully that you can see that area now is more matte than up here, and we've also got a more level surface to work with. Okay, so that's almost good enough there now. That's really what I'd be going for on the entire guitar, the sides, the back, and the top. And once you've achieved that, then we can talk about applying our color codes next.